name is Ronald. I will teach you how to play the piano in these two steps. In step 1, you will learn how to play the chords of this song. I want to ask you to please sit in front of your piano so you can follow along. When you see this red sign, it means I'm asking you to pause the video so you can have the time to practice the chords that I'm teaching you. Once you know it fairly well, we're going to move on to the step 2, which is actually playing the original song. For those of you who already know to play the chords, skip this section. There's a tab later in the video where you can click on it and you go directly to playing the song. So let's start. F sharp, this sharp sign, and then M. That is the name of the chord, okay? So it is F sharp minor chord. The notes in the red, okay, the 3 notes come together, they make the chord F sharp minor. Again, the 3 notes together, that is called F sharp minor chord, okay? So I'm going to play it for you twice. Place your finger like this, okay? And I'm going to play each note at a time like this. F sharp, A, and C sharp. And then we press it together now. Each note at a time. F sharp, A, C sharp. So I'm going to pause the video now. Please pause it so you can practice this chord, the A major chord. You're going to place your finger number 1, on the A. Finger number 2 on the C sharp. This black note is called a C sharp. Then you have the E note. Okay? So I'm going to play A note, C sharp, and the E note. Together they make the chord A major chord. So this is the A major chord. Again, A note, C sharp note, and the E note. Together they form the A major chord. A chord is a group of notes, okay, that are played together or individually. So I'm going to play it one more time. So as I play it, I would like you to play it as well. So please pause the video, practice it, and then when you know it fairly well, we're going to move on to the D major chord. So for the D major chord now, you're going to place finger number 1 on the D note, finger number 3 on the F sharp note, and your finger number 5, which is your pinky, you're going to play the A note. These 3 notes together, they form the D major chord. So the D major chord consists of the D note, the F sharp note, and the A note, and you play them together. I'm going to play it one more time. So please pause the video now so you can practice to play the D major chord. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next chord now, which is the C sharp suspended 4th. C sharp suspended 4th chord. So these are the notes: C sharp, F sharp, and the G sharp. These notes together, they form the C sharp suspended 4th chord. It's like this. I'm going to play it again. So try playing it, okay? So we're going to start the C sharp major chord. This is how you play it. Finger number 1 is on the C sharp. Finger number 3 is on the F. And finger number 5 on the G sharp. So you're playing it like this. Again, C sharp, F, G sharp. Together. I'm going to play it one more time, then it's your turn. Okay, so please pause after. Again, C sharp, F, G sharp. So you can pause the video now so you can practice this chord. Then we're going to move on to play all of the chords of the song. We're going to start off with the F sharp minor chord, right? We're going to play it in this rhythm. Listen. Then we're going to the A. Then to the D. Then the C sharp suspended chord. Then to the C sharp major chord. Again, descend, F sharp minor chord, and the A, then the D, then you're doing the C sharp suspended 4th chord, then the C sharp major chord. Okay, please pause the video now and so you can practice this section. Okay, so we're gonna start the last section of this lesson. Place your hands in position as you see I'm placing here. We start with the F sharp minor. I'm gonna play it first and after it's your turn. You can pause it, okay? And then it's your turn. So let's go. I hope this lesson will help you to get a good idea of how to play Lose Control by Teddy Swims. Please leave a comment below so I will know which song you guys would like to learn to play, and I'll try my best to prepare the videos. Also, please subscribe and like so that you will be notified when I'm posting new videos. I would also like to ask you to share any suggestions that you may have so I can improve these lessons, okay? There's always room for improvement. So if you have any ideas, please share let me know, okay? This video to friends and family members or anyone that you know if they like music as well. This definitely is going to help them. See you soon.